day. Gotta get the work, gotta get the big pay. I got car notes to rent and the other nonsense that's slowly turning me into a slave. But it's okay because I look good. I got the best clothes and the best neighborhood, and that's what it's about, the American dream. We in the rat race, but the rats want cream in an obscene amount, more than I can count. So I won't recognize that I'm drowning in the oceans of life. My breath for us life.
This is your first jump then. You excited, nervous? Excited. Cool. Is there a special occasion today?
My birthday was on Wednesday.
Right on, man. Happy birthday. What a way to celebrate, huh?
Yep.
Well, as you can see, it's beautiful outside.
Yep.
What do you say we go have some fun?
Let's do it.
Right on, buddy. We'll see you in the sky.
All right.
Sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, so nice. I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I know that I can't do no wrong. My love won't do you no harm, and I feel nice, like sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, I got you. Can't do no wrong, and when I hold you in my arms, my love can't do me no harm, and I feel nice, like sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, that I got you. Wow, I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that I would. So good, so good. I got you. So good.
Yeah, Matt, how was that, buddy? Pretty awesome, huh? Let me help you up.
So good. So good. I got you.
Right on. Yeah. Let's get a picture with you two guys real quick.
Thank you, AJ. Nice job.
Woohoo! Right on, guys.
Alright, here, I'll fix that harness so you can walk.